Hi guys, hope you're doing great. I spoke in my last video that my chemo was due, right? So for that you need to do some kind of a pre-test before going ahead and getting your chemo done, right? And I've covered it in my previous videos that there are a couple of tests that you need to take care of, right? Major is the CD19 and CD20. So I did the CD20 test, and as per doctor, the report should show that the percentage, the test report, the percentage should be 0%. If your reports states that the percentage is 0, then the chemo is not due. But if it is even like 1% higher, like if the report says that it's 1%, then you have to go ahead and take the chemo. Now I really don't know the exact logic behind it. I haven't spoken to doctor and checked, but I intend to check with him. Mine showed more than 7%, so that was extremely high. And with just confirms that my chemo was needed immediately. And just like Friday, so we are sitting on Sunday today, right? So day before yesterday, on Friday, I went to AIIMS and I met Dr. Bhatia, and I showed him the report, and he had even suggested that I do an MRI. And before meeting him, I immediately did my MRI, and the comparison between the last MRI report and this MRI report. So MRI, I did it after almost a year. And of course, Dr. Bhatia, I met him, and yeah, he scolded me a lot, and the fault was all mine because I think I've been really irresponsible, which I just completely agree. I met him last year, 2024, in March, and he had asked me to visit him after 6 months, but somehow I just kept delaying it. And again, what Dr. Bhatia does is that in AIIMS, he has his MS clinic on Tuesday. Now, people like me who are working and all, Tuesdays it becomes a little difficult, right, to take out time from your work. So I usually push back, and I tend to visit him on Friday. And Friday he is busy with other patients. So this Friday also he just referred me to his resident doctor, and that's what it was. And of course he scolded me that I didn't follow up with him, and I didn't come to visit him on Tuesday and all. So I met this resident doctor, I think Dr. Anish. So he asked me to do urine culture because he was scared that I might have urine infection. So immediately I get that done also, and luckily today I got the report, and it's negative. So, and he's given me a date for tomorrow, which is Monday. And yes, so tomorrow a very big thing will be completed, because for me, getting a chemo maybe 9-10 months after 9-10 months, it's like a milestone achievement, because I spend there like almost 12 hours in AIIMS, and it is tough, right? It's not a easy task. I mean, you get scared, and you have a lot of anxiety and all. But then, as I say, like January has not been very good for me. There was back-to-back setbacks, like getting myself admitted in emergency, getting myself treated for kidney stone, and doing ultrasounds and CT scans, MRIs, and meeting doctors. Like I met the urologist, and I went ahead and met Dr. Bhatia in AIIMS, and now it is chemo which is due for tomorrow. And I messaged him saying that Dr. Anish, he did not check my MRI report, so I don't know what does the comparison say. I could not understand really if there are any more new lesions, or is it stable. So he suggested that I meet him on Tuesday. So this time I really intend to. So I will go tomorrow, get my chemo done, and then on Tuesday I'll visit him, and maybe he will be able to dedicate some time to answer my questions, and I'm looking forward for that. I think I'm just going to write down the questions that's in my head, so that I don't forget when I'm standing in front of him, and then clear all of these queries. And I'm just hoping that tomorrow goes well, and I am looking forward for February, because I'm expecting February and the coming months to be better. I would say January did not go very well, for whatever reasons I've already specified earlier, and I'm really looking forward for February. And let's get this chemo done tomorrow, and maybe you'll see Nilima 2.0 after tomorrow. I'm really hoping for that. So pray for me, and I'll see you again next Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.